everyone, Alice here with the latest product updates from pentesttools.com. This month is all about speed, precision and smarter detection, so you can scan faster, find what matters and validate vulnerabilities with confidence. Let's jump in. You can now push vulnerability scan results from pentesttools.com into your Nucleus workspace. Choose conditions for full automation or manually send only the findings you need. No more custom scripts or manual data wrangling. Just one single source of truth for smoother findings management, so you can control what gets sent and where, keep client data cleanly separated, and centralize your vulnerability management in Nucleus. Watch the demo with our product manager Dragos for all the details and how to set it up. Link in the description. We've made several key improvements to our proprietary website scanner to help you uncover more vulnerabilities with greater precision. Light scans now include all passive detections, so you get richer results with a quick scan. GraphQL endpoint fuzzing now included to automatically identify GraphQL endpoints and test them as injection points. Response header injection detection is still live in the active module since last month, but too useful not to mention again. If you're scanning large infrastructure or running frequent CVE scans, this one's for you. Our network scanner now automatically optimizes the engine selection when you scan for a specific CVE. This means we only enable the engines that can detect the targeted CVEs, faster scan completion without losing detection depth, and faster coordination and remediation time. Sniper Auto-Exploiter, our proprietary offensive solution, now validates exploitability for a critical RCE vulnerability in Craft CMS. Just like the rest of our exploit modules, this lets you get proof of exploitation within minutes and skip manual POC building, and strengthen your reports with screenshots and payload evidence. As always, if Sniper can exploit it, our network scanner can detect it. Modern APIs can hide dangerous misconfigurations. Our API scanner now detects mass assignment vulnerabilities, a critical issue that lets attackers manipulate object properties like roles or permissions. It works on standalone API scans and integrated web scans, giving you deeper insight with no extra setup. We've fine-tuned port lists across our scanners to focus on the most relevant and commonly exposed ports based on the latest exposure patterns in real-world environments. It's one more way we're helping you stay focused on what matters. We recorded a detailed walkthrough to show how you can use pentesttools.com in a network pentesting engagement. Watch this demo with David, security research engineer, and learn how to automate recon with replicable flows and chain tools, customize how tools run to match your pentest methodology, validate exploitable vulnerabilities with Sniper, and generate and customize your DOCX pentest report. That's it for this month. Let us know which updates you've tried and what you'd love to see next. Until then, happy hacking!